Hey guys, today we're gonna build some gingerbread houses. Jules is gonna do one with my dad, and me and my mom are gonna do one. Make sure if you like gingerbread houses to make one too.
What are you about to
birthday party, but apart from mommy's birthday party. He gave her Tracy's birthday party.
Jules, what are you about to make?
Birthday party.
A gingerbread house.
Gingerbread house. What is really good.
So if you're into gingerbread man houses, not gingerbread man, and gingerbread houses, we got two from two different places. We got a Target brand one, which looks really cool, and like on the box it's awesome, and you get the little stained glass windows and whatnot. And then we also got one from IKEA when we were there a few weeks ago. And even though the one from IKEA looks cheap, that's the one that has a smell. The one from Target does not have a scent at all. There's no texture on it. Let me show you. This thing, this is the one from Target. It was probably more expensive too, wasn't it?
$10, and this one was $7.
Okay, so
but it comes with a lot of other.
It does come with a bunch of accessories. So the one from IKEA, you have to either have your own or buy like sprinkles and stuff to.
Although
to do all the
icing
decorating.
from this one is trash.
The icing from the Target one is trash. Tanya made her own homemade one, which we used on this one. That's a lot better.
I used our own on this one too.
Okay. And this one is just, it has texture on it. It smells amazing. Oop. And Jules.
And it's more precise. It's cut
That's
more
true.
precise. Like,
Wait, why don't put them in the chimney, Jules? You need to decorate the house. Yeah, you're doing a really good job decorating.
Okay.
She's like, but I want to put him down the chimney. If you put him down the chimney, Santa's he's gonna get stuck. Because there's gonna be sprinkles in the chimney.
I don't even see any.
You don't want Santa to get stuck in the chimney, do you? You do? Oh, okay.
Well, maybe we can leave these for Santa to eat.
So you want Santa to get stuck in the chimney. But then he won't be able to bring you your presents if he's stuck in the chimney.
Maybe George can hide in there.
George, our elf.
Yeah.
This is our Christmas elf. Yep. And the advent calendar.
Maybe that one.
Did you just eat a sprinkle?
No.
Yeah, I think you did. Did you just eat a sprinkle and some icing? Yeah.
Ooh.
Is it good?
We eat it.
Just, girl, that's your fingerprint all in there. And the J and the U. Yeah, yeah, you've been caught red-handed. She's like, Ann did.
We eat it.
Yeah, you're eating it.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dad dashing through the snow in one horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring.
What is up, Flockers? What are we doing down here?
We're going to go find corn on a cob or a stick.
Corn. Yeah, we're gonna try to find corn. But what are we doing down here? Like, what did we come out for tonight?
To see Santa and the parade.
Yes, we came to see Santa and the parade. So we saw Santa, told him what we want for Christmas, and there's a whole little like fair going on down here in downtown.
We're on a fanny pack.
Yeah, so we're gonna see if we can find some corn or some other snack to eat to wake us up, because we still got like 20 minutes, 40 minutes until the parade starts. And then we'll enjoy the parade.
It's bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells.
So the parade was really nice, but Tori was a little bit sad and down because she was supposed to be in the parade, but because she's under the weather, she's coughing and sneezing and stuff, we didn't feel right putting her in the parade. Yeah, we just, not being with her to be able to tell her like, hey, put your jacket on, put your hood on and stuff like that. So it was the perfect call, because what time is it? Right around the like 6:40 mark, so 40 minutes into it, it just starts pouring rain. And I saw a bunch of trailers with kids that didn't have hoods on and just soaking wet like dogs. So I'm glad that we made the decision to keep her with us. But to compromise, I said we would go to the store and get a little bit of ice cream to have for dessert to make it better. So get a little bit of ice cream and yeah, go home and eat. To the museum, Jules? Yeah. Just woke up from a nap though, so it might take us a minute. Scorpions.
Are they real?
Yeah. All right, so put them under the microscope. Ooh, look at their legs, Tori, on the TV. Oh, you can see it in there too?
Yeah, you can see that.
Ooh.
And you can adjust the
Focus.